Rakesh Srivastava teaching you Maths class 9, chapter 4 NCERT, linear equation in two variables. In this exercise 4.3 I have explained first question, which is plotting the graph. Question number 2 is given, give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14. You want to get the equation 2, 14 is the point given. How many more such lines are there and why? It is a very simple. X is 2, it means x is 2 and y is equal to 14. So you want to make the solution. One example also I have told you in the previous lecture. So x plus y is equal to 2 plus 14. What are you getting? 2 plus 14 is 16. It is a one equation. One part of the question is over. Like this, anything you can draw. X minus y is equal to 2 minus 14 minus 12. And you can write x, 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 2x means what is the x? X is 2. 7 to the 14. 7x is equal to y. It is your one more equation. 7 to the 14. 14 is equal to 14. Like this, you can write 7, 8, 3, 4. Any number you can write. X minus y, x plus y, x y minus x. You can write y minus x is equal to 12. Another equation. So how many equations you can draw? Infinitely many. Infinite equations we can write, because from any point infinite lines passes through them. It satisfies the infinite lines. That's why from any point there is a infinite line passing, so we can write infinite equation for this. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Question number 3 of the same. If the point 3, 4 lies on y 3y, if point 3, 4 lies on 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Graph of a line 3y is equal to ax plus 7. On the graph of equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, then find the value of a. Very simple. What is the meaning? Because it lies on this. Therefore, 3, 4 satisfy equation. It means put the value at the place of x. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. So 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. At the place of y and x, I am putting the value 4 and 3. 3 4 the 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. 5 is equal to 3a. Then a is equal to 5 by 3. What are you getting? A is equal to 5 by 3. 3, 4 lies on this. A is equal to 5 by 3. You are getting the equation. Very simple equation is given. Only you are putting the values. A is equal to 5 by 3. Next equation is given. Question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. We know very well this type of question. A taxi fare. We had the taxi. Then we will get the what is the how much kilometer and what is the fixed charge. A taxi hire, suppose 1000 saving a taxi person is taking, and then it depends on the per kilometer. If I am not going any kilometer, then only will pay 1000 a day. The taxi person will return to his home. So that's why hiring the taxi is very simple. Hiring the taxi per kilometer charge is there. and one fixed charge is there. And here the question is given on the basis of this same. A taxi charges for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 and the rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance is rupees 5 per kilometer. For first kilometer what is the given? First kilometer fare is given rupees 8 and then it is given for the subsequent distances it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Then it is given rupees 5 per kilometer. Rupees 5 per kilometer. And you want to get the equation for this. 5 rupees per kilometer. And what is the difference between these two? That you find out. What is the difference? It is given taking the distance covered as x kilometer. Distance is given x kilometer. Distance is given x kilometer and total fare is given y kilometer. What is given? Total fare is given y kilometer in the question. Total fare. Distance x kilometer, total fare is y kilometer, rupees y. Total fare is, distance is x and total fare is rupees y. You want to find out a linear equation to form the and then draw its graph. You want to plot the linear equation for this. Rupees 5x. 5x. What is the difference between first kilometer? What is the fixed charge? Fixed charge is 1 kilometer 5 rupees, 8 rupees is this, so 8 minus 5, what will you get? 8 minus 5, rupees 3. Rupees 3 is the fixed charge. 5 rupees per kilometer, very simple. What is the equation you will get? Total charge is equal to, so total fare you want, total fare is equal to number of kilometer into per kilometer charge per km charge plus fixed charge. It is the formula, very simple. Number, total fare, how much you pay? What is the fixed charge? Suppose 1500, here fixed charge is rupees 3. Because 1 kilometer charge 8 rupees, rate is 5 rupees per kilometer, so 5 rupees plus 3 is the total charge. So what is here? Y is equal to number of kilometer x per kilometer 5 plus 3. So what is your equation? Y equal to 5x plus 3. It is your equation, or you can write 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. It is your equation what you form. So fixed charge and the, but there is a given also draw the graph. You want to draw the graph for this. You want to draw the graph of this question. So what is the equation given? Equation is given y equal in term of x by y is equal to 5x plus 3. We will get the table and find the values x and y. 0, x is 0, then y will be 5 into 0 plus 3. What will you get? 3. X is 0, y is 3 and x is 1. Then what will you get? Y equal to 5 plus 3, 8. X is minus 1, then y is equal to minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So by this you will plot the graph here. 5 plus 3, 8, not 3. 0, 12. Here is the 8. 5 1 here not 1, it is 8. Okay. Here is 3, correct? we'll plot it 1, 8. So you want to draw the graph where y is 8. It is given. So it must be x dash y dash 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here minus 1 and then minus 2. So 0, what is the 0? 0, 3. 1 minus 8. 1 you will get here minus 8. 0 comma 3, 1 comma 8. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Then you plot the graph for this. You are getting this. So you are getting, this is the equation given. What is the equation given? Y is equal to 5x plus 3. So it is the graph of question number 4. Graph of question number 4. So here 2 questions you have finished. In these 2 you are getting second, third and fourth. Question number 4 was this. And by this rest part of the question, rest part of the question we will do in the next lecture. Thanks for today.